This Ayurvedic oil has been one of my major secrets to a long and fast hair growth. It has helped to prevent breakage, it has helped me to retain length, it has improved my hair density, and it has just helped me to manage my hair. It has prevented scalp issues, and the list goes on. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my recipe to making this hair oil. The first ingredients we're going to be using is this Amla hair oil, and here I'm just showing you the ingredients. This Amla oil is rich in antioxidants and it helps to promote fast and long hair growth. Now we're going to be using Nupur. Nupur is a mix of very effective Ayurvedic herbs. It has Henna in it, Jaswand, Brahmi, Shikakai, Methi, Neem, Jatamansi, Aloe vera, Bhrinraj, and Amla. I ordered for this set on Amazon, so you can get it from Amazon. Now this next batch, I got everything from Nigeria. We have moringa, rosemary, fenugreek, green tea, and cloves. They really help to grow your hair. The next is MSM powder. This was also ordered for. Next, I'm going to be adding the Sunny Isle coconut and castor oil. The next product I'm going to be using is the tea tree oil, which helps for itchiness and just fixes scalp issues. I'm going to be adding essential oils like lavender oil and lemongrass oil, which is very effective for the hair. Guys, I'm going to be using this old mason jar. Trust me, you don't have to throw away all your containers. You just have to keep it for whenever you need to do a DIY product. So for the two herbs I mentioned, I am putting 2 tablespoons of it because it's going to be a very concentrated mix. I'm putting 1/8 measurement of MSM powder because you don't need a lot. I'm going to be emptying the Amla oil inside this mason jar, but what you guys have to know is that I'm also going to be topping it up with some olive oil because I noticed that it was going to be too concentrated. Benefits of these herbs will be listed in the description box and in the comment section box down below. So I'm just mixing that, and I'm going to leave this in a cool and dark area for 6 weeks. 6 weeks, guys, so you can imagine how effective it's going to be. And this is it after 6 weeks, guys. It's so concentrated. Every single herb has infused inside the oil, and trust me, this is going to be effective. Now I'm just using a mesh cloth to sieve the oil into the bowl. Now you don't want to put this like that into your hair because it could clog your pores. Trust me, you don't want that. Okay, so after sieving it in, I'm just going to use some of my other recycled bottles to store the oil in. This is why I said you don't have to throw away your bottles. We are almost done with making this powerful oil, but before we finish, please, if you've watched up to this point and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, turn on your bell notification for the next video, which is a follow-up to this video. Also like, share, and leave in the comment section box down below what you would like me to film for you. Okay, so after including that, I'm just going to bring out the mesh cloth and make sure I sieve in all the oil, because trust me, in this place there's no waste at all. Guys, are you seeing how this oil looks so chocolatey and so concentrated? Now that I'm done sieving it out, I'm just going to include the remaining oils that I didn't add before. So I'm including the castor oil. I didn't add it before because it's very thick and I didn't want it to stop or slow down the infusion process. Next, I'm going to be including all my essential oils. For the essential oils, I'm only adding 5 drops. So I started off with the lemongrass essential oil, the tea tree essential oil, the lavender and lemon essential oil. So this would also ensure that this oil has a very nice fragrance, because you don't want something weird to be smelling on your hair, or you don't want your hair to be smelling like grass, right? So when I was done, I topped it up with olive oil because I wanted this portion to not be unnecessarily concentrated. Now I gave that a good mix and I added it to my empty bottles. Guys, this is why I said that you should not throw away any of your containers, because they would really come in handy whenever you do a DIY process. So this is how I'm including. I'm just using a funnel. Guys, trust me, you would want to stick to the next video where I'm going to be showing you 3 ways you can include this in your hair care routine to ensure that your hair grows long and strong. So if you haven't subscribed and if you haven't turned on your bell notification, please ensure you do that so that you would be helped by moi.